All right, hopefully you have loaded this in your computer. There's a video, there's directions. Make sure you load this calculator. This calculator looks exactly what we're using in the classroom, so make sure you load this. All right, we're gonna find slope from a table. It's easier to put it in the calculator, and I'm gonna show you how to put this in the calculator. So we're gonna turn the calculator on, and the first thing we're gonna do is gonna press Stat, and we're gonna hit number 1, edit, and what L1 represents all the x's, so all the x's are going to go here. So 9, enter, 11, enter, 13, enter, 15, enter, 17, enter. Okay, L1 represents all the x's, and now we're going to put all the y's in L2. So L2, we're going to hit the right arrow button and go to L2, which is the y's. So 9, enter, 12, 12 enter, 12 enter, 15, enter, 18, enter, and 21, enter. And as you can tell, I messed up, so double check your numbers, 9, 11, 13, 15, 7 for the x's, and then 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 for the y's. Okay, after you do that, you're going to go back to Stat. All right, then up here where it says Edit, you're going to hit Calc, short for Calculate or Calculator. You're going to move it to the right with this arrow, and you're going to go down to 4 where it looks like y equals mx plus b. You're going to click on the 4. All right, and then you're going to arrow all the way down with the down button. So down, down, down to calculate and press enter. Okay, so this now shows us in y equals mx plus b. Instead of the m, it's an a, but it still represents the slope. So a is 1.5, which is the slope. B, which is negative 4.5, which is the y-intercept. All right, all from the table. Okay, refer back to this video every time because this will show you how to enter all the tables and get the slope and the y-intercept.